Top 6 Best Mechanics Creepers 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. The Performance Tool W85005 Rolling Shop Creeper delivers ultimate comfort with its 3-position headrest. Its fully padded deck and shielded 2.5-inch swivel casters mean comfortable positioning and smooth 360-degree movement under any vehicle. This heavy-duty powder-coated steel frame is built for tough shop work. However, its rolling design means it's best for smooth garage floors, not uneven surfaces. For mechanics needing durability and adjustable comfort, it's a solid choice. Number 2. It instantly converts to a seat. This Omega 914512 Black Z Creeper is ideal for working under vehicles. Its low-profile design gives you extra workspace. Plus, it folds, adding a comfortable sitting position for different jobs. You'll find mobility easy with 6 swivel casters, and thick padding ensures comfort. It handles up to 450 pounds. However, its foldable design means it's not a single, rigid piece. For mechanics needing both positions, it's a versatile choice. Number 3. Magnetic trays keep parts organized. The BESTOOL 40-inch mechanic creeper shines with its 2 built-in magnetic tool trays. No more fumbling for screws when you're under a vehicle. It's automotive service ready, built for daily professional use. You get low-profile access and a comfortable padded headrest for longer jobs. Its 350-pound capacity handles most users. Casters are wear items, but 3 spare wheels are included, a smart addition. This creeper's a solid pick for home garages or pros needing smart storage and easy maneuverability. Number 4. Converts fast from creeper to seat, making the ProLift C2036D incredibly versatile. This 36-inch Z Creeper is perfect if you need both a low-profile creeper and a comfy shop seat. Thick padded cushions and a vinyl headrest give great comfort for maintenance tasks. It boasts 6 swivel casters for easy movement and a 300-pound weight capacity. Its Z-shape means the seat isn't as compact as a dedicated stool, but for its dual function, it's a smart, durable choice for the garage. Number 5. This mechanics creeper offers lightweight strength and ergonomic comfort. The ProLift PL940, made from HDP, weighs just 13 pounds, making under-vehicle access easy. It supports 350 pounds and features 3-inch industrial swivel casters resistant to oil and chemicals for great maneuverability. You'll appreciate the padded headrest and dual tool trays. The 40-inch length fits most, but if you're very tall, it might feel a bit short. For durable, comfortable work, it's a solid choice. Number 6. 2-in-1 versatility truly stands out. The JEGS folding creeper converts easily to a Z-seat via its locking pin, ideal for automotive work. Thick padded cushions and a headrest offer comfort for long projects. Its heavy-duty frame supports 300 pounds, perfect for mechanics and DIYers. 6 caster wheels provide smooth floor mobility. If you're over 300 pounds, this isn't for you. Still, it's a solid, adaptable mechanics creeper. Thanks for watching Best Mechanics Creepers. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.